form of a sequence. First, you have to assign a value for n. And since this is about sequence, we know that the values of n are restricted to be just counting numbers. Second, you have to substitute these values in a given function or in a given formula. And the third step is to simplify. Do the math and let's see kung ano yung magiging sagot. With these 3 steps in mind, we're now all set to solve. Let's start. Okay, so now let's have the first example. You have a sub n is equal to the quantity n plus 1 all over 2n raised to the power of n. Now, first step, assign a value for n. So let's start with n equals to 1. Okay, now, second step, substitute this value in the given function or in the given formula. So you'll have a sub 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 all over 2 times 1 raised to 1. Tandaan, kung nasaan yung variable na n, lahat yun, papalitan natin ng value na inassign natin sa kanya. Okay, so let us now proceed to the third step. Let us simplify. So you have 1 plus 1, PEMDAS rule, so 1 plus 1 you have 2, over 2 times 1, you have 2. Simplify this one first, so you have 1 raised to 1, so that is equal to 1. Therefore, this is our first term. For our second value, we will let n be equal to 2. So if n is equal to 2, substitute, so you have a sub 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 over 2 times 2. Raise the power of 2. So 2 plus 1, you have 3 over 2 times 2, so you have 4. Raise to 2. So when you have an exponent and you have a fraction base, you have to square both the numerator and the denominator. So 3 times 3 will give you 9, and 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So therefore, our a sub 2 is 9 over 16. For our third value, you have n equals to 3. Substitute, so you have a sub 3 is equal to 3 plus 1 over 2 times 3 raised to 3. Then 3 plus 1 is 4 over 2 times 3 will have 6 raised to 3. So we can simplify this. 4 over 6 is equal to 2 over 3 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 3 is 8 over 3 raised to 3 is 27. So therefore our a sub 3 is equal to 8 over 27. Next, so for our fourth term, of course n is equal to 4. So if n is equal to 4, substitute, so you'll have a sub 4 is equal to 4 plus 1 over 2 times 4 raised to 4. So at first, you'll have 4 plus 1, this is 5 over 2 times 4, so you have 8 raised to 4. So 5 raised to 4 is 625, and 8 raised to 4 is 4096. So therefore, our a sub 4 is 625 all over 4096. Therefore, the first 4 terms of the sequence defined by this explicit formula a sub n equals to n plus 1 all over 2n raised to n are 1, 9 over 16, 8 over 27, and 625 over 4096. Okay, so now let's have our second example. We have a sub n is equal to n squared plus 2n. Again, assign value for n, substitute, then simplify. So let's have the first term. So if n is equal to 1, substitute, so you have a sub 1 is equal to 1 squared plus 2 times 1. So 1 squared is 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2. Therefore, our a sub 1 is equal to 3. Next, if n is equal to 2, substitute, so you have a sub 2 is equal to 2 squared plus 2 times 2. 2 squared is 4 plus 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 will give us have learned something. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Math is fun. Bye!
Time is barely on our side.